Hello everyone and welcome students of LTDE 5320 here at Houston Baptist University. My name is Victoria Whistle and I'm going to give you a quick brief tutorial on how to use Canvas or how is it useful for and in education purposes to use them. So as you can see, we're in the Google setup and we type the website as canvas.com. Once you have entered, of course, if you don't have a login, you will need to create one. But for instance, I am a person that uses Canvas a lot for flyers on campus, flyers for my mom's business, or any type of flyers or any type of personal use. As you can see, I have created some that are for education, even my resume, of course, personal ones and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and create a design. Today I want to create a design in regards to Valentine's Day. So we're going to create a design that we have here for our campus. We're going to take pictures for students on Valentine's Day. So we're going to go ahead and create a design. You can choose from a video, an Instagram post, a poster, flyer, presentation, a card, a logo, whatever your choice is. But for me, it's a flyer. Now, they do have certain templates that are on the side to see which ones will be convenient for you. As I previously said, it was a flyer in regards to Valentine's Day. So as you can see, there's some here and some over there. So I think this one will be a cute one to adjust. Now we can zoom in. And on Valentine's Day, it is Valentine's Day, we're going to put photo shoot. You can add here you can edit to editing the whole background. Let's say that sometimes I really don't want that background. What if we go to photos and choose a background of hearts? So we go ahead and type hearts in here. And it shows you a quick image of what type of hearts are located. Now, I wanted to use a little bit of red hearts, and I think it's a great scene. But sometimes I prefer a little bit more colorful. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Press cancel. Press backspace, and we're going to use this as our background. Now, in order for us to use that as our background, we have to position into the bottom because we want everything to be all the way far back so we can go ahead and edit all this type. So we're going to push it all the way to the back so you can see everything. Now we're going to delete these hearts here and here. And we're going to put it as our background. We're going to zoom in all the way in. I wanted it to be a little bit more realistic. Now for the font, we do want to change the color so it can brighten up a little bit more. Might use a little turquoise blue in order to change it to see if it works out. It does, it kind of blends in, but I wanted a little bit more popping up color. So we're going to change it and see if the lime green works. I'm not a big fan. The red one, blue. We're just going to go through all the different colors that are in here to see which one works the best. Gonna go with that one, but if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do a little bit more bigger. From there, we're gonna put the date as February 14th. Exactly how, but I want a different font in there. So we're going to change it into here. You do have those options that in Canvas you can choose what type of font you want to provide. So we're going to go with Alice on February 14th. And we're going to put this at the bottom, put this on top, and put this here at the bottom. Put the time and location. As you can see, this is the time and location. And then we're going to put a little image of a photo of a camera, actually, so they can see what type of event that's going to be created here. Once this uploads camera, I usually like to use what is called a photo, a different type of photo. Give me 1 second. I don't know why is it taking a while, but we're going to use the camera. And we're going to go to graphics because graphics are more cartoon based. So once this uploads, and so since we used to love the turquoise, we uploaded the picture we want. We click on it and we drag it. Give me 1 second because it is mixed in with a lot of things. So we drag this camera to show them what is happening. We delete that. A quick little stretch here just to remind students where it's going to be at. And we don't want to put Happy Valentine's Day. We want to put Valentine's Day photo shoot. And there it is. So once you save it, now if you have it and you actually want to see how the picture is going to look, you can go look at it. And it shows you exactly how it's going to be like. It's perfect, it's clean, it's just how I like it, and we can press escape. From there, you download the image however you want it. Do you want it as a PNG, a JPEG, PDF? It gives you all the options in there that is needed. I usually like to use it as a PDF standard. I download. Once it's completely done, and you should be able to see the type of project you just created. And here it is. This is the image. Thank you everybody for listening to my quick tutorial. I apologize for the background noises, but I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you.